Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply customs or accessories to your pet in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have applied this costume to my cat and I'm going to show you how we can do that. You can go to your watch menu and select the pet option. Then you can choose your pet that you want to apply the accessories or customs to, and I'm going to apply this costume to my dog. So we can select dog and then select costume menu and choose the accessory or the custom that you want to apply. I'm gonna click on save, and okay, it has been saved. And wait, I'm going to see my dog. Where is it? Okay, let me track it first. Okay, this is my dog and he's wearing this costume. And if you want to take it off, you can go back to the pet menu and select costume option and click on the custom and click on save. Okay guys, and that's how you can apply costumes or accessories to your pet in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.